Hello, awesome resellers. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about how to get more followers on Instagram. So I made a joke on my Instagram post saying that you need to post 9,000 times, which is not really the case. I was just joking, but obviously posting on a consistent basis is going to help you with getting more followers and more views. So consistency is important. There is an app, it's called When to Post. So When to Post is connected with your Instagram when you give it access to your Instagram, and it will tell you 3 times during the day when to post and when you get the most engagement. So tonight at 10 p.m. and 11 p.m., as well as 2:15 p.m., I had posted because that's when to post app, which is completely free, said post these times. So I post 3 times a day, and those 3 times would be consistent to what when to post shares. So I would highly tell you to download that app. And then there's something called Planoly, Planoly. So if you're very busy like I am, because I'm a student, I have it already pre-planned all the different posts that I want to post. And this will just help you to be more consistent. So when to post, Planoly. And then there's another app, and it's for hashtags. So you could get either hashtags from other bigger sellers and see what kind of hashtags that they're using, or you could just get an app for hashtags and then just copy and paste those hashtags. But you also want to rotate those hashtags. So if you look at some of my hashtags, I have a hashtag for when I'm posing in the clothes, and I will use hashtags like fashion blogger, YouTuber, Insta fashion, Insta style. But then when I sell items that I want to show, when I show items that I want to show all of you guys, like the resellers, like what I sold, it would be like reseller community, resellers. And so what you can do is you could actually already pre-write all those in your notes and then copy and paste and use the notes for each type of category that you're posting. So like when I'm modeling the clothes, it's gonna be like Insta fashion, fashion blogger, what I wore today, outfit of the day. And then the second notebook would have content like reseller community, resellers, eBay, Poshmark. And then say like the third post, maybe I'm posting about food, then I'll post foodies, food porn, things like that, so that you're not constantly tagging the same hashtags, and you want to rotate that. Another thing that I would recommend for you to grow your Instagram is to have connections with other bigger Instagram people. And I'm not saying you should ask them for a shout out or you should just DM them, but if you comment a lot on their posts and you engage with them a lot, in time you could develop a relationship and then DM them directly and just have a friendship with them. And in time, as you get to know them and as they get to know you, maybe they would give you a shout out. So just don't ask them for it, but just develop a relationship, and that will instantly get you a lot of followers. Just having a connection with someone who's a lot bigger and has a bigger following, and then they give you a shout out. Everybody knows that I'm friends with FBA Gal, and I tried her program. I really believed in it. So then I gave her a lot of shout outs, and then like that kind of maybe grew her Instagram. So just getting and having an authentic, genuine connection with other bigger Instagram people would also help you boost your Instagram numbers. Or having someone like Poshmark, if Poshmark sees you with a lot of packages, and then they like your photo and they like your content, then they could give you a shout out on their page, and then instantly you will get a lot of followers like that. Making sure that you have good, consistent content that is going to bring value to your customers or to your resellers or whatever community that you're trying to get involved with will also help you to grow in numbers. So you just want to make sure that you're adding value to your followers and their content that they're interested in. So you want to see in the analytics of your Instagram what is being posted most, getting most likes, and what you notice is getting the most engagement, and then you want to post those. So if you look at your analytics and you see that you're getting a lot of likes on your Marshall sales finds or something like that, and then you're also posting things about TJ Maxx or Ross or Walmart, but everybody likes your Marshalls find, then you want to post consistently more about the Marshall finds, even though you want to talk about all the other stuff. That's not what they want. That's not what your followers want. So you want to consistently give what your followers want. And don't make the same mistake like I did. Like, don't post like things about your grandma or, about your favorite food and all of that until they get to know you and like you. And that's after you've kind of grown, because initially people only care about what content you're going to provide and add value to them. Then they'll care about your dog and your great Aunt Jemima or whatever. So you want to give value to your followers, and you want to also be very specific and know who your followers are and what they're interested in. And you could post on your Instagram stories like, what content do you want to see, and post that, or check your analytics and see which one's getting the most likes and post that. And you just want to give good content that people can resonate with, that is a little bit different from all your competition, and that you add strong value and people could relate to you. I hope this helps somebody. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.